Hello, welcome back to the IDN News Chat. Today we're having Independence Day competition.
Independence Day competition. August.
Now I need somebody, the audience, to explain what is this game about. And I pick Putra. Come on. Putra, can you please tell us what is this game about?
The water.
Okay.
Using the
I heard you do it like this.
yeah.
From
bucket
yeah. The bottle.
yeah to the bottom. The bottom to the pool.
Thank you for that little explanation. So now, right now it's Independence Day. Lots of competitions are having. Yes. And 7th grade are literally losing. Let's go there.
The fastest, the fastest. The fastest super good.
Go back. It's raining. This guy. Did you win? Yes. Okay, tell us. How did you win? How did you win?
My team win the game. 8 but the teamwork is good.
So, to win, we need compassion.
Yang menang berapa? 9A ya? Hah? Oh, 8A ya? Oke. Ini loh.
So, this was Independence Day competition with
9B versus 9A.
and 8A was win over 9A. 9A. And this other, I want to
Sama 9.
how do you feel about this competition?
Kelas 9B. 9A sama 9B. Cepat.
We haven't played it though.
Kalau
Yeah. 7th grade lost previous all-day challenges.
Yes.
It was sad, but fun. But sad.
So you didn't really fun, and it was fun because there was a competition.
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna bring one more student from the audience, Kakak Kedo. Kakak Kedo, aku sudah panggil. Sini. Come here. You are.
Semangat ya.
Did you win? Yes. How did you win? You played the game, right? How did you win? Okay. Yes. Ignore. Yeah, okay.
Senang aja.
So this is
9A versus
Independence Day competition
9B.
for 15 August, 17 August in idnboarding school, and it was really fun because everyone
So.
Ya, siapa yang pertama?
Now, to set up the game, everybody sits down in a line. 1 to 10 people from back to start.
from the bucket to
Ya,
the
sudah.
From bucket to aqua bottle.
bottle,
Now, while walking, we're going to interview.
from the first to the last.
So, right now, this class is 9 what again? 9A and 9D. Now, 9A and 9C will now start to fight to water the leader. This game is super fun because it's wet.
If you drink from the bucket using a glass.
Oh my god.
Using bottle.
Kafati is here. Hi Kafati.
Kalau nggak cepet ngomongnya.
Say hi.
Ayo sih, tulis. Oh iya botolnya.
So, right now, they're going to get ready to play.
Kalian kalau nggak
They're
ngasih
going to
botol
get ready
gimana
to
dong?
play. And after this is going to be 7th grade turn. So, while they're playing, let's watch it. So, as you can see from there,
Oke ya.
the first one gets the cup
Tahu deh.
with the water through the bucket.
Gas.
And after that, they pass it to each turn. From front to back until they fill the aqua. The one with the highest fill wins the game. You lose, you get a punishment from Reagan.
Oh yeah, but
Jadi guys.
Yeah.
Oke. One.
I'm sorry, sir. Actually, you have a guest of
Durasi
Mr. Apps.
1
Wants to
menit.
make conversation with you.
Oke ya.
Now let's go to
Durasi
Mr. Abs.
1 menit.
even if you lose in this competition, you
Nah,
will
durasinya
feel
1 menit
so
tuh
fun
kelamaan
because
kayaknya.
It will be so
there are
fun.
so many
45
challenging
detik
Mr.
lagi.
Abs, where's Mr. Abs?
competition.
Ya oke 1 menit, oke 1 menit. Kasihan. Oke. Saya itu nomor 3 ya. 3, 2,
Talk with us in the vlog.
1, go! Bayar. Cepat. Jangan main dulu. Cepat. Kalau udah isi langsung. Langsung lewat kepala, nggak boleh lewat samping, lewat kepala, atas kepala. Samping saya diskualifikasi. Lewat kepala. Jangan samping, lewat kepala. Cair bukan mandi ya, cair bukan mandi.
As you can see, people are playing and getting wet over there. Getting
30
wet.
detik lagi. 30 detik lagi, guys. 30 detik lagi.
Okay.
30 detik lagi. 15,
Okay, I think that's
14,
next we're going to play.
13, 12, 9, 8,
Thank you for listening to our vlog. And now we'll say bye. You can do the closing.
5,
Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Bye.
4,